What's going on, everybody? So I'm back in the video. Hope everyone's having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect your PS5 or your PS4 to your iPhone, where you guys can actually play games straight from your iPhone using the PS Remote Play application. So I'm going through step by step on how to install the application, how it works, how you can also connect your PS4 or PS5 controller to your iPhone, where you guys can actually play on it, which is awesome, as well as how you guys can actually play on your phone using your PS5, obviously anywhere around the world. So I'm going step by step process on everything in this video. So hope you guys do enjoy the video. So the first thing you guys want to do is go to your app store and you want to search up for an app called PS Remote Play. It's completely free. I'm gonna link it down below in the description of the video. So once you go into the application, it's gonna ask you to sign into your PSN account. So log in, which I will do real quick. So after you guys are logged into your account, click on confirm continue. Right here, you're gonna be able to connect your controller if you would like to. I'll get to that later on the video. And then right here, you select the console you want to connect to. We're gonna be doing PS5, and then it's gonna give you guys instructions right here that you will do on the PS5. So once you're on the PS5, what you want to do is go to the settings option in the top right hand corner. And then once you're there, you want to scroll down until you see system. So we're gonna go into system. And then after, you will see remote play. We're gonna go into that section, and then what you want to do is make sure you guys have it toggled on. So once you officially enable the remote play on your PS5 console, you can go ahead and continue with the instructions. So obviously we could click on PS5, and now it's going to be searching for the connections via the internet. So make sure you guys are on the same Wi-Fi on your phone and your PS5 when you're setting this up for the first time. Later on, I am going to be showing you guys how you guys can actually use your PS Remote Play. So basically play PS5 games on your phone while you're not even at home, which is also a cool feature with this application. But right here, it is finishing up. It's checking the network now, and then afterwards it should be linking the PS5. So there we have it. I'm gonna go into landscape mode so you guys see the screen a lot better. We have all the controls on screen, so obviously it can get kind of annoying just because we have like all the D-pad, all the buttons on the right hand side as well. But you guys can actually connect to your controller if you don't want to use the on-screen controls. So I will show you guys how to do that later on as well. But it is the full PS5 console. This is no Photoshop or anything like that. We're going to be able to play NBA 2K if we wanted to. We can play Jackbox, Overcooked, all that stuff. So now I do want to show you guys this cool feature, or this feature at the bottom left hand corner right here. So I did get an error right here, but if you guys go into the settings in the corner right there, you guys are going to be able to actually change the quality as well as the frame rate. So right here we have the resolution. It can go up to 720p. Obviously not the best quality, but still good. It's still, you're able to see everything, and then you're able to change your frame rate between standard and high, and then you have HDR feature as well. So every single time you guys do open up the PS Remote Play app, you guys should be able to automatically connect, so we shouldn't have to do any setup as long as you guys haven't deleted the application from your iPhone. And there you guys have it. There is the PS5 on our iPhone. So now I did actually want to show you guys that I'm actually able to play PS5 games on the PS Remote app even when away from the PS5. So I'm on a whole different Wi-Fi right now. I'm like 20-30 minutes away where the PS5 is currently located. It's at my brother-in-law's house. But basically, you guys will be able to see is we're able to connect to the PS5 that we set up earlier. So one thing you will need to know, for this to actually work, you guys need to have that PS5 in rest mode. So if it's completely shut off, it's not in rest mode, this will not work. You're gonna get an error. It's not gonna connect to your, obviously, your PS5. So make sure it is in rest mode. So for example, if you're in New York and you want to hop on the PS5 when you're, for example, in Los Angeles, you're going to be able to do that as long as your PS5 in New York is in rest mode. So you guys will notice right here, it says linking your PS5. So it will take a lot longer depending on your internet connection. Just be patient. And in a couple of seconds here, you guys will see that I am going to be able to play any PS5 games I currently have on the console on my iPhone right there. So we have NBA 2K22. This is awesome feature that PS Remote Play implemented into their application. But there you guys have it. Let's get on to the Bluetooth setup for the controller. Now I'm going to show you guys how to connect your controller to your iPhone. So this works for the PS5 controller as well as the PS4. So I'm currently at home right now, so fortunately I can't show you using the PS5 controller, but it's the exact same process. But what you want to do is basically put in your controller into pairing mode. And to do that, all you do is press the PS button and the share button together and hold it for about 5 seconds until you see it start to blink. So I'm going to press them now. and in 5 seconds here you will see the back button start to blank, and then on the actual PS5 controller it should be around the edges right here. And once you have done that, it's now in pairing mode, so we want to go to our settings application right here. We want to go into Bluetooth, and then now obviously you want to wait for the controller to pop up. So I'm going to forget mine, so hopefully it'll pop up again, and you will notice that we're still in the pairing mode because it's still blinking right here. And if you don't see it, just turn off your Bluetooth and turn it back on. So I might have to do that because I've already forgotten it. And there it is, DualShock 4 wireless controller. And then if you're on the PS5, it should say DualSense. And there you guys have it. You would now go into the PS Remote Play, and it should be compatible with it, where you guys are able to play all your favorite games on the PS Remote Play application. So there you guys have it. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, drop a like on the video, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you guys never miss a video. That's basically it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.